Hey, going on, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with FXAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the right hand side or below or wherever it is on the screen. Okay, so today's video is going to be the recap of last week's trading. Great week last week. Lots of nice positions. We managed to get around, including gold, on our Forex trades. We got about 200 to 300 pips, and on our gold trade we got a $27 move on gold. Okay, so this is our private Facebook group. You can search it there or click the link in the description area of the video and join the group. It's free to join, and you can see the kind of trades we post weekly and the free setups I post weekly for my subscribers. Okay, so this was this week. I see clients in the group, 244 plus gold, 230, and then Tommy's still got another 150 pips running on a few open trades. So he does, and you can see Lewis got in at gold at 1580 and got out at 1556. So a brilliant trade on gold there for him. Okay, so we're just going to go over some of the results in total of the trades. You can see these we only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, well, eight trades. This was a bonus trade for copy clients. So 8 trades triggered this week out of a possible 19. Best trade of the week was on gold. Okay, so we classify every $10 move on gold as similar to 100 pips in Forex. Okay, so and these were the trades we got. We got one stop out this week on the British pound Aussie. It happens, and trade this free signal I gave out last week to the signal group. You can see last week was another great week. Here, 600 pips last week, and similar story this week. Okay, the free signal we sent out with our trades last week was on the USD CAD. So it was. And if you're watching the channel last week or you're in the Facebook group, you would have got 60 pips on the USD CAD. So let's have a quick look at some of the trades that actually triggered this week. First one was the USD CAD. We were looking to get in at 129. 900, okay, this week, and started the week it dropped pretty heavily, and we got in. This trade triggered, I think, around on Tuesday. You can see the initial drop, then dropped down, and finished the week pretty. It actually did go up 100 pips, 110 pips. We closed yesterday at around 130, 600. So nice week in that trade. If you took that trade, pretty 60 to 100 pips free profit there for you. Next one was a British pound AUD. Okay, rallied at the start of the week and then came back down towards our entry on towards the end of the week. But hey, some trades don't work out. We got stopped out, and that's the name of the game. Next trade, let's have a look at the charts. Next trade was USD Japanese yen. It was the Forex trade of the week. We got 130 pips on that. Let's find it here. This is going to be in this. I don't have it on this platform. Okay. Okay. So it actually went up a little bit further also, but we got out at 130 pips on Thursday morning. Nice trade, more or less from the get-go last week. It rallied for us. So after those missile strikes in Iran, it did drop, and then we close this guy because people are messaging me. But most of the week, after those missile strikes, it rallied up hugely. So it was a great Forex trade this week, last week. And basically it was a trade from this weekly zone here and a nice rally last week. So great trade. Next one was on Euro Swiss franc. It didn't really move last week. It did go a bit against us again after those missile strikes from Iran in the US, but didn't really move much. And we closed out on Friday, minus 10 pips. Okay, not a great trade last week. Again, it happens. We've already did the British pound Aussie. Next trades are the three Aussie pairs: AUD USD, AUD CAD, and AUD Japanese Yen. AUD Japanese Yen was so close to stopping us out. I think it was within 10 pips. Our stop was at 73,600. After those missile strikes, it dropped the way down. And again, it rallied back up, and we got around 70 pips in that. Sorry, we closed a bit early on Thursday. It did rocket up a little bit more. Another great trade last week. It was off from this trading zone here. You can see this was an untested daily area here. You had the swing low here, the swing high. Untested, the price dropping pretty sweetly into it and rallying up from there. Okay, so nice trade on that last week. AUD CAD, similar story. This was a reaction from this trading area here. See this swing high, this swing low here caused this swing high. Market comes down into it, and we get in right at the start of this move back up and got around 70 pips on it. We did. Next one was AUD USD. Okay, so we're closed. I'm keeping this trade open at the minute, but it was a nice trade from here. Okay, you can see this swing high, swing low, and this was the cause of this huge move up here, this area here, and this is where we got into the trade. It's still running. You can see we've got roughly around 30 pips on it so far, and it's going nicely. Okay, and that's the signals there. So a great week again for us, and 580 pips plus the 600 pips last week. So well over 1,000 pips already. I'm only in the first really 2 weeks of the year and of January. So excellent start. If you haven't already, if you're not already using our signals, you can simply click the link below and sign up today. Very powerful. We do what no other signal provider will offer. As you can see in the Facebook group, we guarantee you'll make money. We guarantee you'll make a minimum of 900 pips or your money back. Okay, every 90 days. Okay, we guarantee that. So no matter what, we guarantee you will make money with our trading signals. So you want to find any profit for Forex, just simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know at well@thefxace.com, and looking forward to seeing you on board and bagging some pips.